Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the AI Select wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this AI-powered feature will let you choose any wallpaper online and let you set it on your Samsung Galaxy device. So for those of you who are asking me, where did you get this wallpaper or can I have the link to this wallpaper? I'll show you a way of how to get new wallpapers each time you browse on TikTok. So here I'll go ahead and open up TikTok. And in TikTok, I'll just go ahead and search for a superhero wallpaper. Now this is in the top section. However, I can go ahead and browse through all these videos which are available. So let's just say, for example, this one here, Batman. Now to use this as a wallpaper on my Samsung Galaxy device, you can see that it's a video. However, I can go ahead and change this into a photo and use it as my wallpaper. So to do this, I want to go ahead and long press first, tap on clear mode. Next, I want to go ahead and select the point where I want the wallpaper to stop. So let's just say, for example, this one here. Let's go ahead and change this so I can see his cape as well. Now next, I want to go ahead and bring down the edge panel from the right, then tap on AI Select. And now here I can go ahead and download this wallpaper to my gallery, or I can tap on the three dots and then tap on Set as Wallpaper. This will now ask me if I want to do it from a lock screen and home screen. So yes, I want to do it for both. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on Done. I'll press Skip. And now my wallpaper has been applied. So this way, this gets you custom wallpapers no one else has. It matches your home screen or outfit vibe easily. It saves time hunting for background online. So there you go, guys. That is how to get wallpapers using AI Select on your Samsung Galaxy device.